Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing another clean with me video, and we are starting in our master bathroom. So I don't know if you guys do this, but after I spray my toilet down, I like to take the toilet paper and wipe it off so I can just throw the toilet paper in the toilet and flush it. Let me know if you guys do the same. Careful, don't drop it.
No, bubble bath. Okay? Hi. No. No,
You can flush that one.
Hi.
Hi.
Mommy garden is that. Nope, why do that?
So I stole their 6 cube square thing, so I need to get them a new nightstand. What are you doing, Pudge? Hey, Em. Alright, while Reese gives the girls a bath, I'm going to start in the kitchen. So I did the 2 bathrooms, the girls' room. Now I'm doing the kitchen. Hopefully I can get to the living room tonight. But if not, that's okay. The whole house doesn't have to be clean every night. Let's get started. Emmy, do you want Dada to brush your hair?
Maya.
So pretty.
Daddy's baby.
My back. Mom. Mommy, Benny get Gail.
Are you Daddy's baby?
Yeah.
And what's Brittany?
Benny get Gail.
She's a good girl?
Nope.
Daddy's big girl.
Oh, you fell.
What are you doing?
Listen.
Yo, let me brush it. Let me brush it and make it better. Oh, so bad. Come on, baby girl.
Sit. Good boy. Sit. Good girl. Zoe. You're just Zoe. Yeah. So I moved my living room around again. The mantle isn't done. I have to hang pictures up and stuff, but yeah, I'm just gonna clean this up real quick and we'll be done. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!